Your agents are responsible for a lot. They have to solve a variety of problems across many conversations on different channels, which can get pretty complex and get in the way of good service. Zendesk gives you powerful tools to organize, prioritize, and more efficiently solve customer requests. This is helpful for small teams and essential for larger ones. As soon as questions come in, Zendesk helps you make sense of them. You can organize them by language, region, topic, or whatever you like. At a glance, you can see the status of the ticket, who's working on it, and other essential information. This leads to less confusion over who's responsible for what. Requests are handled more efficiently, and your customers, especially your VIPs, get the level of service they expect. The agent workspace is designed to give agents everything they need within easy reach. You have details about the ticket itself on the left, key info like the name of the requester, the agent assigned to the ticket, and additional info that came in with the request, like order number or operating system. The conversation is in the middle, and this is one single thread, even if it's taking place across more than one channel. Agents can easily switch channels, like taking a phone call and then following up with an email. And here, they have access to pre-written messages for lightning-fast responses. And on the right, you have information about the customer and their past interactions, access to apps, and knowledge articles. Agents can even collaborate with team members and other departments without leaving the workspace. Efficient teams, happy agents, better customer service.